Hey, Babu.
They can fly.
This is Cranky. Just woke up.
Mommy, can
Happy 4th of July, everyone. Happy 4th of July. Not yet. Say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Don't do that. We're on our way to the park. See the fireworks. See fireworks. We were supposed to go to the pool early this morning, but it was thundering. I didn't even think they'd have the fireworks, but guess it is. I didn't bring the ice cream, Addison. Alright, y'all, so let's enjoy this 4th of July ride with us. Happy 4th of July! Yeah, she bluffing on the new channel. Just letting y'all know, she bluffing.
You don't come around no more.
Alright, y'all. Hot as hell. In the park. All these damn kids. Waiting for the fireworks. Y'all see this? Yeah, this real. Fat fat. Fat fat. Come over here, baby. Come here. Excuse me. Come on.
Move, Taylor.
Ready? Oh my god. Just dragging them up here on the wagon, I feel like I just lost 3 pounds. Hey Caleb, come here. Come sit down. Anson, Chase, y'all come back on the mat. Bring Brooklyn back on the mat. Chase, sit down. Y'all, 4th of July. When I tell you I'm hot, it's like I'm real life hot. Hot as all heck.
Mommy, not playing with it no more. That's why I'm playing.
Straighten back out the blanket, please. I need somebody to cool me down. There's so much food trucks down there that I want to go to, but I also don't want to go down there. Ones. Ooh, the Brooklyn's here nice. Whoa.
Okay, come on, man. You acting like you ain't never get on somebody else's plate. Why do you, man? Say, please.
So, didn't finish vlogging on after fireworks. It was hot, excited, didn't have time. And I'm back out in the heat again. All y'all that's trying to get ready for a hot girl summer, not me. I'm sitting my ass down in the AC all summer long. I'm out here at this housewarming baking. Yeah, I'm under the shed, but I'm still baking.
I got $30 repair.
It ain't gonna be no $30 repair.
It is.
Grown up Capri Suns.
I'm gonna go get it.
They're gonna be like, I don't know what you
Flies. I'm not built for outside. I'm not built for outside. Chrissy, I love you.
Oh, that's right. You gotta make the bars.
Can't sit out here all day. Can't.
Tell mommy.
You're trying to give away everything to say.
No, because if you pay for
I wonder if I'm the only one hot. Look at this sweat.
and he's not his mom.
It's so mean.
Nobody else took hot. It was just me.
Oh.
Hey, so that was a...
On the good side, I got the good food. That's a good thing about it. That's some good food. Diamond, you gotta let go and let God. If he get bumped, then he gonna move.
Swatting.
And then we had that night out in the rain. You ran after me and you were my name. I never wanna see you walk away. It's one of these things is not like the others. Living in winter, I am your summer. Happy dog when it comes to a lover. I promise that you'll never find another like me. I'm the only one of you. Let me give you company.
Let me cut this air down so y'all can hear me. Y'all see this? Again, I'm not built for the summer. I'm not. Whew. Cut this sucker back on. I know that's probably all y'all hear, but please don't invite me to no barbecues. Don't invite me to no cookouts. Not unless the sun goes down. After that, I'm in there. I'm in there. Spray myself with some bug spray. I'm in there all night. But while the sun's up, I can't chase behind 2 kids. And it's heat. I can't. Woo! That air feels so good. It feel good. I done stripped my son off. Took his shirt off. Look at that. Whew. Shut this door. Oh, that air feels so good. So good. Y'all, couldn't do it. This feels so good. Y'all need to understand. I can move. I can dance. I like spring. Somewhere, unless I'm in the pool, I'm not really for it. Except my daughter's back to the fridge to get my son's milk. She didn't get what I asked her to get. His bottle, his cup.
Where is it?
It's in the door of the fridge. It's in the door, next to the jelly, next to the strawberry jelly. Now walk. It's too hot to be running. Walk. What? Babu, she gonna get it. Impatient young man. When he wants it, he wants it. I love my babies. I see them. I love my babies. They're so cute. They're so cute. to the cookout. Then I'll bring y'all back. But right now, I gotta cool down. This air feels so good. Woo! Alright, y'all. Alright, guys.
Hey, what can
Trying to get some good light. Finally ending this thing off at the pool.
Mommy, look at me.
Oh, you in there?
We're closer.
They can see you.
Look at what I'm eating. Hold up. It's a Jolly Rancher icy. It's an icy that tastes like watermelon Jolly Rancher. It's icy though. And this is my little spoon. See, this is what it looks like. They're looking for flowers.
Alright, guys. Ending off this 4th of July weekend at the pool.